This is Japan Vlog Service. Hi YouTube, Mike Beckett here. So it's March the 18th, Wednesday, March the 18th, and it is 2015, and it is raining. And raining in a way that I can only describe as epic, really. I always like to joke that, whilst I'm sure there is a word in Japanese for it, but there'll be no need for a word for light drizzle in Japanese. No such thing is going to happen. It's either going to be absolutely fine and gorgeous and not a cloud in the sky, or it's going to be like this. Which is a type of rain, as I say, you can only describe as epic. What else is going on? Oh yeah, curious thing about today. March the 18th, 1965, for all you disability fans out there, watch my thing because of my pronounced disability. It was the first day that Tenjin blocks were used in Japan, or at least they were developed in 65 and used locally in Okayama City. They were developed by a man who was trying to help a blind friend to get around this town, basically. If you don't know what Tenjin blocks are, they're these things.